Hello to everyone. Join with me to study this kind of differentiation. So this is y is equals to x squared times square root of 3 minus x squared. Take note, this is product rule. Okay? So I have one x squared and then the other one is square root. Find the second derivative with respect to x. So first thing to do is I have to solve the first derivative. So this will be dy over dx. Okay? Since this is product rule, so I will copy the first, so x squared. Then differentiate the second. So this will be 1 over 2, circle brackets 3 minus x squared. Then raised to negative 1 half. Then derivative inside, that will be negative 2x. Because 3 will be 0. Then derivative of x squared, that will be negative 2x. So I'll just go straight away because this is to be placed in these circle brackets, but I just go straight away with negative 2x because 0 minus 2x, that will be minus 2x. Okay? Then plus, copy the second, square root of 3 minus x squared, then differentiate x squared. So this will be 2x. Okay? So this will be x squared. Then I have now circle brackets 3 minus x squared raised to the negative 1 half. Take note, 2 will be crossed out. So I have now negative x in here. Okay, then plus 2x times square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay, so I will place this one below the bar line. So I have to write this one as x squared over circle brackets 3 minus x squared raised to, since this is below the bar line, so this exponent will be changed to positive. So this will be positive 1 half. Then I have negative x in here. Okay? And then plus 2x times square root of 3 minus x squared. So negative times positive, that will be negative x cubed. Then this will be, then I will write this one in radical form. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Then this will be plus 2x square root of 3 minus x squared. Then I will find the LCD. So LCD will be this one. Understood that there is one in here. So LCD will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay. LCD divide by first denominator. So this denominator 1, denominator 2. So LCD is square root of 3 minus x squared is divided by denominator 1, which is square root of 3 minus x squared. So divide, that will be 1. So this is 1 times the numerator, negative x cubed. Then plus LCD divided by denominator 2. So square root of 3 minus x squared is divided by denominator 2. That's 1. So I have now square root of 3 minus x squared. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared times the numerator. Numerator, this will be 2x, then square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay, allow me to erase this one. Then multiply. So this will be negative x cubed. Then plus multiply this one. Or I will just write this one first. 2x. Then 1 half plus 1 half, right? So this will be circle brackets 3 minus x squared raised to 1. Okay, because 1 half plus 1, that is 1. Then this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. And then multiply. So I have now negative x cubed plus 6x. Then this one, negative 2x cubed. Then this will be over square root of 3 minus x squared. So simplify at the numerator. So this will be negative 3x cubed. Then plus 6x. Then this will be over square root of 3 minus x squared. So this is now my first derivative, dy over dx. Okay? So I will transfer this one. So allow me to erase in here for further solution. So this is my first derivative, dy over dx is equal to negative 3x cubed plus 6x. Then over square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay? So let's proceed to the second derivative. So second derivative, so this will be d2y over dx squared. So again, this is quotient rule. This is quotient rule before product rule. So this will be squared the denominator. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Then this will be squared. Since this is quotient rule, so I will copy the denominator, square root of 3 minus x squared. Then differentiate the numerator. So derivative of negative 3x cubed, that will be negative 9x squared. Then plus 6. I'll just write this one. Circle brackets. Then minus. Copy the numerator. Negative 3x cubed plus 6x. Then I will use square brackets. So derivative of square root of 3 minus x squared. So this will be 1/2. Circle brackets, 3 minus x squared. Then raise to negative 1/2 because 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And then derivative of 3, that will be 0. Derivative of x squared, that will be negative 2x. And this will be close. Okay? So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Circle brackets, minus 9x squared plus 6. Then this will be minus, circle brackets, minus 3x cubed plus 6x. Then this will be 1 over 2. Then circle brackets, 3 minus x squared raised to negative 1/2. Then 0 minus negative 2x. 0 minus 2x, that will be minus 2x. Then this will be over, okay, square root, then squared. So this will be crossed out. So I have now square brackets, no, circle brackets, 3 minus x squared. Okay? Then cross out this one. So I have negative x. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared times negative 9x squared plus 6. Okay, take note, this is negative. So negative times negative, that will be positive. So this will be negative 3x cubed plus 6x. Then this one will be placed below negative 3x cubed plus 6x. This will be circle brackets, 3 minus x squared raised to positive 1/2. Then I have still 1 in here, so negative x. Okay? Negative x. Oh, sorry. Only positive, because the negative times negative, that will be positive. Then this will be over circle brackets, 3 minus x squared. Then I will write this one in radical form. So allow me to erase at the top. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Then square root, no, circle brackets, negative 9x squared plus 6. Then this one will be plus x times negative 3x cubed plus 6x. Then as what I said, I will write this one in radical form. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Then this will be over circle brackets 3 minus x squared. Okay? Erase. So LCD for the numerator. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay? So this will be 1 in here, right? Then divide. Just like LCD, divide by denominator 1. So LCD will be this one, square root. This one, square root. So square root of 3 minus x squared is divided by 1. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. So this will be square root of 3 minus x squared times this one. Square root of 3 minus x squared times negative 9 x squared plus 6. Then plus distribute or multiply, that will be negative 3x to the fourth. Then multiply, that will be plus 6x squared. Okay, then this will be circle brackets 3 minus x squared. And then multiply this one. So this will be 1/2, that will be circle brackets 3 minus x squared. Then times this one, minus 9x squared plus 6. Then distribute, that will be positive, negative, that will be negative 3x to the fourth. Then positive 6x squared. Then this will be square root of 3 minus x squared. Okay? Then I'll just change this one to multiplication. Then upside down of this one, the denominator. So 3 minus x squared. So this will be 1 over circle brackets 3 minus x squared. Okay? Then I will simplify this one. Multiply. So 3 minus x squared. Then negative 9 x squared plus 6. So negative 27x squared positive 9x to the fourth. This one 18. Then negative 6x squared. Okay, bring down this one 27 and 6. So 27 and then 6. So this will be 13, carry 1, 33. So negative 33 x squared. Then plus 9x to the fourth plus 18. So arrange, this will be 9x to the fourth minus 33 x squared plus 18. Okay? So I'll just erase this one. So I have now 9x to the fourth, 9x to the fourth, then minus 33x squared plus 18. Then minus 3x to the fourth, then plus 6x squared. Then this will be over this one square root, and then this will be 1. So I have now square brackets, circle brackets, I mean 3 minus x squared. Take note, 1/2 plus 1, right? So this will be 2, 1 plus 2, so 3/2. So the exponent of circle brackets 3 minus x squared will be 3/2. Okay? So, combine this one and 3x to the 4th. So, this will be 9 minus 3, that will be 6x to the 4th. Then, 33 minus 6. 33 minus 6. So, borrow, this will be 2, 13, 7. Then, this will be 2. So, since negative 33 is bigger than 6, so this will be negative 27 x squared and then plus 18. Then this will be circle brackets 3 minus x squared raised to the 3/2 power. So therefore, allow me to erase this one for my final solution. Therefore, d2y over dx squared will be equal to 6x to the 4th minus 27x squared, then plus 18. Then I will write in radical form, so this will be square root of circle brackets 3 minus x squared raised to the 3rd power in here. So this is my final answer. Okay? So if you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comments at the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.